You don't need a big audience to start making money. You just need this one thing, an offer so good that someone has to buy. I've sold websites worth thousands of dollars, and I can tell you that much. People don't pay for your courses or the content you provide. They only pay for the result they care about and a reason to trust you. In this video, I'll show you how to exactly build an offer that sells even with zero followers. So grab the pen and paper and let's get into it. Most solo experts and agency founders make this one big mistake. They think that their offering is the service. For example, I do websites. I help create content. I help with fitness. I offer content strategy. That's not an offer. That's a category. A real offer answers these questions. Who is it for? What results will it get? Why should they believe it will work? And what makes it different from the others? If you can't answer those questions, you need to work on your niche. If you want to know more about your niche and the people you are targeting, watch the previous video. The link will be in the descriptions. Now, if you are someone who knows this answer, then let's get into building your offer. Let's start simple. Here's the offer builder formula that you can use to get your offer in 2 minutes. Let's break it down. Who? Speak to just one person. Either it can be a solo expert, busy moms, or a freelancer doing 1K a month. Don't try to target everyone, as it will make it complicated for you to talk to your audience. The result. What do they actually want and not what you provide? For examples, get more conversions and book more calls. Not I design websites, or get more leads from your content, and not I help design your content strategy. Without. The person that you are looking for, the who, will get the results without. So without is the main objection that your ideal customers might have. So you need to remove their biggest fear or frustration. For examples, without cold outreach, or without creating content if you are using paid ads, or without burnout if you are helping them create content in systemized manner, or without technical issues if you are building them websites completely done for you. Those are some of the examples that you can use to make a proper statement out of it. For example, I help coaches and consultants get 5 call booked in 30 days without burning out using the content. This formula alone will make your offer 10x more visible and easy to sell to your ideal clients. Now, if you are still here and want to get deeper, let's get deeper into Alex Hormozi's 100 million offers and build a framework that gets into your foundation and help you sell offer worth thousands of dollars in instant. This is how all the top tier experts and creators make their offers sound no-brainer and easy to buy for all of us, even at premium prices. Get a pen and paper and let's build your offer. Number 1, dream outcome. What is the dream outcome or the transformation that your ideal client is looking for? Either it could be getting clients, or losing weight, or launching their brand. It could be anything. The clearer the outcome, the more they will want it. Second, perceived likelihood of success. Why would they choose you to get them from A to B when they can choose anyone from this world? You show them your processes, the result you have got with past clients of same who, and the results they wanted. So now you can just replicate the process and help as many as people in the same niche that you want. Offer a guarantee or a personal guidance. Even saying I'll just walk you through every step of the process or the outcome that we got for our recent client will boost their confidence into buying. Number 3, time delay. How quickly they will get the results. No one has 6 to 12 months to get to the level that they want. You need to give them the exact time frame that you will get the results. I build websites in 8 to 15 days for most of the coaches, and the e-commerce website from 25 to 30 days without any issue. While a lot of agencies take 2 to 4 months, they need to know exactly how much time it will take from A to B. You can't say we will eventually get you there. You need to give them a timeline. For examples, I'll get you 5 clients in next 90 days, and not we will get you clients eventually as you work with us. Or I'll deliver this landing page in next 10 days. Not we will deliver this landing page anyhow. Number 4, efforts and sacrifices. What hard things can you remove from their life and still get them results? No tech, no ads, no dancing on the reels like everyone else, or no 20 hours work week working behind us to get the project done. If it's faster and easier, people will buy faster than ever. Number 5, make your value equation. Dream outcome plus achievability divided by the time and effort that it takes. If you want to win, increase the top one and decrease the bottom ones. But make sure to keep it realistic to achieve and have a strong proof to back up whatever you are saying. Number 6, stack bonuses. Add value boosters that removes the friction. Templates, checklist, fast onboarding call, consultation call, free discovery calls, whatever it takes. But keep it concise and on point. And only include the bonuses that makes the final outcome easier or faster. Number 7, Name the mechanism. Name the offer that you're providing to people, because people love names and they will trust it very easily. Even if it's simple, give it a simple name. 7 days DM strategies, 30 days content strategy, the authority conversion framework, a one call offer, or whatever suits your client the best. And now you have a complete offer that will sell. Let me give you a very clear example of how your full offer might sound once you're done with these things. I help coaches and consultants get 5 clients in next 30 days using my discovery to DM strategy without funnels, cold DMs or burnout. It is that simple. You just need to give the value in the right format and position yourself as the only solution in the market. And please avoid saying these things while you are selling. Talking just about the features and not the outcomes. People don't want to hear what features you provide, they just care about the outcome that they get after working with you. Listing too many deliverables in one offer. Just keep it simple and get them from A to B without any issues. And most importantly, being vague. I help people grow. I help you build website. I help you create content. Those things won't sell. Just make it feel like you understand their world better than anyone else and you have already won the war. Here's what to do to get from zero to having a best offer in your niche in 3 simple steps. Fill the simple offer sentence. I help who get the outcome and remove the objection. Refine it using Alex Hormozi's equation. Can you make it faster or easier or make them believe that they will likely achieve the outcome if they work with you? And the final step, DM 30 people in your niche asking if they want what you are offering. That will make it very clear if what you are selling is right or wrong. If you still need the help, I have provided a Notion sheet in the description of the video that you can check and create your own offer without any issues. And once your niche and offer are ready, you will need to create content to sell. And in the next video, I'll show you how you can start posting even when you're not a content creator.